Here we go.
So much has
The Twin
changed over
Towers
the
set
years.
the furthest to the back here, right? Yeah. So right there was that was the Twin Towers, right, Joe? Where all that gravel's at? Yeah, back here with the guys, Come Up Inch Network. Make sure you go check out, Joe Henderson, Come Up Inch Network, Lost of Time crew, Special Agent K, Savage K, and of course my brother, Midwest Flesh. We're out here to. Hey, been putting out some killer videos here lately. I wanted to do a quick plug. Go check out his Jackson one, man. And what's the other one that you just put out?
The Bandit Ski Resort.
Yes.
Not Bandit, Decaying Ski Resort.
Plus, he does a lot of just good stuff, man. So go check out my brother. Anyway, here we are. Yeah, Twin Tower set there. Star Plaza that was connected to the Radisson set right up there. So we're gonna walk around and check out the remains of it. How do we get in?
Right there.
Over there?
You see where the fence has been to?
Oh, yeah. You want to just get the cars and go over there? Instead of walking that whole thing? Yeah.
It's not that far.
Yeah, let's go do that.
Oh.
When they would have big concerts and stuff, they would come out here. I used to work over at Bob Evans. All right, let's do it, Special K.
All right. Did any celebrities come through Bob Evans then?
Oh, yeah, all the time. I mean, mostly it was like in the daytime, like you said.
Yeah. And there's not a lot of people.
Yeah, the South Lake Mall was cracking.
Before it became dangerous?
Yeah. So back here, the Twin Towers was. I'm trying to place it. I think pretty sure it's here, right?
They had all those reflective windows.
Yeah. That's where the Twin Towers was. This would be the back of the parking lot.
Did they ever say why they tore them down?
To make room for new construction or something else. Well, it's really windy. These microphones are gonna get put to a test today.
Well, they obviously did nothing with it because it's still an empty lot.
I can see my brother already going, man, come on, man. Ain't none here.
He saw a bike.
Yeah, there's the other road right there. There's the other road. I believe that's what the Twin Towers said. I'm pretty sure. Hey, do you remember how it wasn't the Twin? It was sitting there, wasn't it? The Twin Towers. No? That's what that. Okay, because you can see the road on the other side of it. My lawyer's office was in there. See, it's like Remnants, man. That's all that's left of the Twin Towers.
That was a really bad joke. We're in this empty lot.
No, signing your social security card and shit.
Yeah, they were all over.
Later on, they steal your identity.
Yeah, so this is gonna be the building. Here's the entrance and like the parking spots. I know. It's kind of cool though, man. There's some stuff out here.
You went out here, Paul? No.
Not sure what he's doing. He
Getting
needs to
shot.
do a. No, we won't. We won't be here forever.
What?
Check it out. Bam, you know what time it is. We'll put a Steel City Storm one over here. It's cool.
I don't like using 4K all the time.
That's one big nut.
Here. No, let's put it right there. Nice. We can just get back in the cars and drive around it. Yes, all this would have been the Twin Towers back here. All the parking lot.
It'd be cool if they built a new venue here.
Huh?
It'd be cool if they built a new venue here.
They're not going to build nothing here to make no money. It'd be something stupid.
Well, how long do you think it's just going to sit as an empty lot?
Yeah, it'll never be reused. Well, maybe one day, but some old parking meters.
Big outlet store, Costco kind of type shit.
I don't know. With everything online now, I don't really see a big store coming up.
Big stores are hard to get by now, man. If you go online, everybody's lazy about it.
You can get literally anything delivered now.
Yeah.
Plaza was over here. South Plaza.
Old parking spots.
How long were the buildings here before they got torn
Shit,
down?
they're here, I don't know, about 30 years.
Because they're as long as I can remember.
There's a lot of acts came through here. Well, you got a Remnant.
It's one of the windows.
Yeah, it sure is, isn't it?
It's thickened.
Now it's 2 pieces. Right there's the stage now. Yeah, it was. Yep, there's the sidewalk. Buses are on the parking lot here. Metal. Right over there.
That's where we parked in the first place. Wow, look at that burning bush over there. Whatever that. Look at that thing. That thing is gorgeous. I don't think I've ever seen one like that.
It's that time of year.
Like that? Look at that thing.
I know. Very
It's been left
vibrant.
alone, man.
I was looking at that over there. Man, look over there. There's some more behind it over there.
That'd be some nice shots, man. All right, I'm going to cut here and go see what the hell he's doing. Or no, you know what? It's right there. He's over here getting his shots. So here would have been the plaza, the stage and stuff, right? Oh, look, he said, what did that say? Dude. Look at that shot. Wait a minute. I gotta get that shot. There's my thumbnail. All day long. Start second video now. So like my brother was saying, he remembers more than I do about coming back here. However, this is the back of the lot. Like the loading docks and stuff, ain't it, brother? Like when they all pulled up. Cause I met Cinderella out here.
Yeah, right there was the load dock over there. Yeah, like that over there. I don't think the dock was down. I don't know. I filled it in.
Yeah, they filled it in.
Yep. You go over here. Go back in.
And that had the overwalk going from the Radisson Hotel to the Star Plaza, right?
Load docks are right here.
Do you remember that thing? That went from the one building to the next?
Yeah. Oh,
The skywalk.
Yeah, the skywalk, that's the word.
they?
Yeah, lame ones.
Good, look,
Yeah.
owls used to this.
Brother,
The lions. But right here is where the buses get parked. Pretty wild.
act like you take another shot, man. It's a really good picture. Cool.
What's Joey doing? Oh, first.
I know. I'm trying to trying to put this one together just like a little music over it. But I just want to test out these microphones in this wind too, and he's got one on too.
Yeah.
Testy,
Testing.
are you testing?
Testing 1 2.
All right.
Testes, testes.
1 2.
Remember that?
Yeah, Beavis and Butthead. Diane hates that so much. I should always play it on her. She's like, I hate that. I said, I know. That's why I'm doing it.
I'm sorry. Does it bother you?
Here's the part that I've seen. It's got like the tiles and
Well,
down there on
Went
the
into a
ground.
brick home. So vibrant.
Wow, that is badass.
that pole. So there's a pretty bush you got.
Okay, so this is all like parking lot up this way, isn't it? It had to be.
Hey, don't those bushes remind you of Sideshow Bob?
And they left all the handicapped parking spots. There's stuff up there to see. You might as well do it now. We're here. That's why you got it, man.
I don't know. Go ahead. I just want to take some pictures out here.
There's some cool like terracotta tile up there, man. And there's one of those things that says it's about the automatic gates.
There's an abandoned house down there.
We'll get to them, I promise you.
There's handicap spots.
Hey, I just wanted to get this one out, man.
Hey, you see that everybody's going at laundry right now.
Are they?
Yeah,
I see a couple. Are
Yeah.
they?
That's a girl though, man.
But did you touch the ball?
No.
What a shame.
Yeah.
He said, motherfucker, I don't want to touch it. Sorry, that was just my brother. That's what he said. I said, go touch the ball, man. He goes, man, I don't want to touch it, man. He got all mad at me and shit.
He goes, go, go.
You got to, you got to. I said, I ain't got to. I don't want to touch it. Traffic going by and shit. It was funny.
But yeah, that's trashing it out, scrappers.
You're pretty damn bold, man. Well, hey, if the city's gonna let them do that, you know.
I asked why they were doing it. I said, man, if it's a scrap of
Man, I'm about to get my scraps on. I know. I'm trying to trying to put this one together just like a little music over it. But I just wanted to test out these microphones in this wind too. He's got one on too.
Yeah.
Testy.
Testing?
Are you testing?
Testing 1, 2.
All right.
Testes.
1, 2.
Remember that?
Yeah. Beavis and Butthead. Diane hates that so much. I should always play it on her. She's like, I hate that. I said, I know. That's why I'm doing it.
I'm sorry. Does it bother you?
Here's the part that I've seen. It's got like the tiles and down there on the ground.
Brick home. So vibrant.
Wow, that is badass. Okay, so this is all like parking lot up this way, isn't it? It had to be.
Hey, don't those bushes remind you of Sideshow Bob?
And they left all the handicapped parking spots. There's stuff up there to see. You might as well do it now. We're here. That's why you got it, man.
I don't want to do it. Go ahead. I just want to take some pictures out here.
There's some cool like terracotta tile up there, man. And there's one of those things that says it's about the automatic gates. We'll get to them, I promise you.
There's handicap spots.
Hey, I just wanted to get this one out, man.
Hey, you see that everybody's going at laundry right now.
Are they?
Yeah.
I see a couple. Are
Yeah.
they?
That's a girl though, man.
But did you touch the ball?
No.
What a shame.
Yeah.
He said, motherfucker, I don't want to touch it. Sorry, that was just my brother. That's what he said. I said, go touch the ball, man. He goes, man, I don't want to touch it, man. He got all mad at me and shit.
He goes, go, go.
You got to, you got to. I said, I ain't got to. I don't want to touch it. Traffic going by and shit. It was funny.
But yeah, that's trashing it out, scrappers.
You're pretty damn bold, man. Well, hey, if the city's gonna let them do that, you know.
I asked why they were doing it. I said, man, if it's a scrap fabulous.
Man, I'm about to get my scraps on. As far as buildings and stuff, there's not a lot, but
First come, first
it's
serve.
definitely definitely got some remnants, man. It's a very cool spot, I think. It'd be like if they tore down Disneyland or something and they just left the parking lot stuff around. And look at those tiles. That's
I mean, those the Twin Towers were like an iconic view coming off of the highway.
yeah, absolutely. My brother get into this. He's gonna dig this.
A stick.
You can walk. That's where I walk through right here.
Oh.
I said it 5 times. So you catch it. You didn't. It's just decorative tiles. I know, but look at that. It goes all the way down there, man. So this is an entrance right here. See? Oh, here's something cool over here. You know what that was?
I'm guessing an electrical
Take
box.
a guess.
Electrical box for the lights. Gate. It was a gate.
Yep, park is right there. I knew you would. You would. It's not even a big one. Look, Remnants. The parking thing. Look.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That'd be a good place for a wristband.
It's fun. Right there.
You know it.
Shadowy that way.
Beautiful out here, though, isn't it?
Uh-oh.
Run, Christian.
Hey, we should go now.
I'm not important enough. Hey, I'm not important enough for sirens.
They ain't
Sorry.
gonna- yeah. They ain't throwing no damn lights on, that's for sure. I said, man, they ain't putting their lights on for this.
Oh, I'm gonna fucking.
It's in dot.
Yeah. Let mechanics with badges.
Enter, exit. Let's come back at the truck. We rent one from Menards.
This is a big old section. Yeah, Menards, right? Let's go abandoned house.
See some creepy shit.
Plaza?
Yeah.
Are we going in? Is it right here? We walked up. There was a door open. We walked right in. We didn't even get tickets. We ended up going home with our tickets still.
I remember the house out. Remnants.
Remnant. Oh,
This is a big spot.
Thoughts?
Thoughts?
What are you thinking about, and what do you think about as you walk around, and what do you think about the site?
Well, right now it's kind of a waste of space, but I do remember seeing the Twin Towers, like the gold reflection from the glass,
Right.
always coming off the highway when you're going to like a restaurant or something, or even to the mall out here and stuff like that. But I also remember the hotel very well because I used to do martial art tournaments in the
Okay.
hotel and stuff, like the ballrooms and everything. So I remember
Don't be
that.
telling everybody why you're my secret weapon, man.
But
Karate man.
I don't remember the theater a lot.
No.
But I do remember those buildings.
Okay.
And
So
it's kind of sad to see it go.
what does it feel like walking around and just looking at it? It's kind of cool though, right?
Yeah,
Peaceful?
it's neat. Peaceful, yeah, but I wish they would build something like that on top of what this was.
Fair enough. Here, hold me down for a second. Walking around here brings back so many memories. Not of me actually going here, but just going by here all the time. and hearing about all the different people that would come here, and just it brought a lot of the stars and entertainment this way. I seen Cinderella the band, Poison, and Endeavor After, a couple of bands here, and I always remember it just being a nice spot. To see it like this, it's pretty damn crazy. Pretty damn crazy. Well, on that note, we're out here. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll put a little attachment at the end of it. Peace.
Put your arms back in and then go out with it. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Now I'm gonna get him. Look at the end of my video.
Yeah, I know you're gay.
And that's that. Agent K, you want to tell him see you next video? I mean, if you would, that'd be really cool.
I guess so. What's he
Oh,
need?
he still needs his mic?
Oh yeah, he's
Yeah.
still wearing it. Well, hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you next time.
And let me get this one. Do you really need it now? I'm still recording, by the way. We were doing the send-off. I was like, so what do you think, Agent K? He's like, blah, blah. Hey, Paul, I need that mic.
Yep, I got your ending shot too, by the way.
Cool.
It's a shot of your bracelet there.
Okay.
Like I framed that thing in the right side of the shot, and I was focusing on that. And then I tapped on the other side of the screen, and you guys were walking away.
Appreciate it, brother. Hey, would you do me a huge favor?
No.
Tell them how to watch the Still See story. Because what? Hey, man.
Thing, right?
See, he gets me.